Thank you very much. My name is Prince Rukundo. I'm a data scientist, years, and I'm happy to be here. I'm part of the team in AQS, work as Chief AI, and I'm happy to be here today to answer some of the questions. I would say that the inspiration to create this tool, DataGoat, came when we saw a really problem when people try to analyze their data. You know, most of the time we have messy data which are noisy, and it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of energy for data engineer to clean data, and finally to have a data set which is ready to work on, kind of analytics and prediction. So that was a problem. The problem was we have a messy data with missing value, duplication, outliers, and other noise. And we say, why not can you create a tool which actually clean those noise, and then having a data set which is ready for prediction. And then the second point was most people will hire a data scientist, data engineer, data analyst to work on their data set. And we're like, it's better if you create a tool which gives you basic analytics, insight, and future insight, as I said. And then we say it was really interesting to have, with the zero knowledge in computer science, with the zero knowledge in data analytics, you can also do it by your own. So these two things, messy data, and then deploy the services to the end user, where he can or she can be able to analyze data without any prior knowledge in computer science. For business people, this is a jackpot. This is a real time to have AI which comes in your business. Basically, most people will spend a lot of time sensitive, cleaning and then making prediction, and then or try to extract some features which will give you an insight of how your business can work on. Second of all, you have to employ a data engineer or data scientist or data analyst to work on your data. So that's a lot of money that we pay. So in terms of time, the tool is really interesting because it helps you to have to do it in the blink of seconds. And second of all, for those who works who employs people to come and pay. So you have a tool that you don't need to pay anybody to come and do the work, and then it cleans your data in a second. So it is like a both way. It is an earning tool. With DataGoat, you have you minimize your cost. Of course, you increase your profit. But the most important challenge is, can we have a tool? We are in AI area where no one wants to spend enough time either learning or working on something which takes a lot of energy. So AI is there now to respond to some of the questions and challenges. So an automated tools which gives you that peace of mind where you don't need to invest a lot. You just get a tool, upload your data, remove your messy and noisy stuff, and finally have this privilege to do it by your own. You don't need to have a lot of prior knowledge in computer, data analytics. So for the industry now, I'm pretty sure they know that we are in the artificial intelligence world, automation world. This is the only way to survive in this world. So I'm pretty sure DataGoat is that tool which comes to respond to the need that we are having this time. And second of all, to see if we can actually bring things on your fingertips, where you just sit down in a few seconds, it's not even minutes. In a few seconds, you have your data cleaned. In few seconds, you have your basic analytics tools. In another few seconds, you can predict and have some insight. Take a decision, and the more you have those information, the more you take better decisions, the more you make a lot of money, the more you also able to compete on the market. So I will really encourage industry and businessmen to try this tool and see what's bring. I'm pretty sure it will be positive. So we've made it that much simple, and as a company there are two ways to get it. You can get it through a web-based application. Otherwise, we can give you an executable file which you install it in your system, and then you can run it locally. And you have also, as well as the web-based, we can upload it in your server, you access it online. Otherwise, we give you an executable file, install it in your system. And then how user-friendly it is, the tool is really very user-friendly. It gives you a peace of mind. You don't need to open a lot of functions or register or something. You just upload your data. It gives you, do you want to remove some outliers? It shows you the outliers. Do you want to remove duplication? It shows you how to remove them. Do you want as well to fill up the missing value? There is a lot of formulas that can choose one of them. And finally, you have a very good graphic user interface, which plots you all the graphs, which gives you all the insights. So there is actually anybody with limited skills in computer science, as long as you can create your email and send an email, that much easier it is to use DataGood. So I wish people to come and discover and see what's going on nowadays.